Internet going strong. Good stuff. Patchy recently. Play, and there we go. Oh, I forgot to change them. Always something. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Cool. Oh, god damn it. Ah, hello, Tony. Ah, yum, yum. No, Dharma. No. Tony was technically first since the stream has begun. Doesn't count if it's an hour before. That's cheating. You're late, Dharma. Absolutely bamboozled. You don't need to say first to be first. That's not a thing. There are no rules. Hello, Bert. Hey, and Mango. And Leaf. Doesn't it? Well, I make the rules, and I say it does. And well, to be fair, it's the first two people get the first, aka the yellow text. So I guess both of you are first. There's two firsts. We boo to you too. Anywho, where's my music? Otherwise, I'm playing a playlist. I'll do it. Well, I'm just gonna stick with this. So that's my logo right there. The OG. Got a problem. I'm making a whole new one just for some petty competition. Yeah, we're not even called the Tank Teamers. You created that name. I haven't even said what my team. I don't even have a team yet. But if we are, it's not going to be the Tank Teamers. Fringe. Hello, Tantua. Alright, have you queued something up? No, that's my one. Yo, I'm working on it. Let me turn down TTS. Anyway. Bro, you should be that. Well, I should know. Leaf can't be the Yank team as he's not a Yank, but the Americans should group up to form the Yank teamers. Yeah, but you don't fit the criteria. Anywho, we're doing I think one more day of Humble Quest and then back onto Tank Team stuff. So today's the last day of working on this on stream. The plan for today is Minecraft Voxel Terrain. Because I kind of want everything in this game to be like I want this to be a voxel game. You know, squares and create some nice terrain on top of the flat shit. The squares we've outlined currently. Thank you, Tony. Squares we outlined currently are just the sort of like biome, but we need the actual terrain. It's a bit flat at the moment. So so yeah, look at this. We got a very basic, not finished, but start screen, just so you have somewhere to join now. Oh, look at that. It's lovely. And I was working on some chests and some item interaction. And lucky this actually syncs over the network. So opening all this syncs over the network. But yeah, so we got the flat outlines. Now we need to just add the up down. Is it taking attendance? Good to see. I think. Let's hello, Meth. Meth. Can I? No, I won't call you Meth. That's probably Dris. Mephedris. Mephed. I'll get it right one day. Come again. Uh-huh. Right. Understood. Totally. The Rickroll combined with the emote spam, and I woke up half an hour ago combined. I don't think I'm making it through the stream. You can tell it's enough when Dharma says I think it's enough. Oh, yes, we do have a mod in the chat. Mods, it's hunting season. You got plenty of targets now. Feel free. Yeah, you better apologize to Blip. He has all the power here. Wasn't you? Well, let's have a look. I wasn't. Yeah, no, you're never getting mod. I barely modded my own mods. But they haven't fucked up so far. I've had a lot of questionable mods in the past. Anywho, today we gotta watch video so I can figure out how to fuck this works. Shut up. All right, got to pause the music. It's studying time. Okay, I'm never gonna fucking. The cosmetics incident. What was that? Anyway. Voxels, squares, let's go. Okay, yeah, I don't need all this. Uh-huh. Yeah, they made of triangles, I know this. The voxel. Yeah, I know that. The hardest part with this is the triangles part, getting the order and stuff. Yeah, it should be, sorry. No, but not for auto-generating terrain. Maybe for like models and stuff, but not the terrain itself. I'm trying to go, you know, like Cubo's got some nice terrain. Much as the game failed. I'm thinking something like this, you know? This just sort of Minecrafty ass terrain. Because they're all just one block and you can jump one block high. Yeah, I know the general premise, but I want to, because there's more to it than that. Obviously, you know, biomes and a lot of stuff. Hello, Tajini. Afternoon, or I guess for me, good morning, which is actually everyone else's evening. I wake up at 6 p.m. Yeah, and then this is yeah, you don't need the back faces. You don't need the front. Okay, so I get the theory. Tell me how to do it. And chunks, yeah. But like this, you know? Water level and everything. It's dark outside. Oh, yeah. I wake up in darkness. I haven't seen sunlight in like 2 months. Ah, that is a good point. No, honestly, I'm just here to steal this code. Well, interpret. Project setup, block type, mesh data, chunk renderer. It looks like he does like the data first and then renders it. Let's just skim through. Oh, something I didn't know. I've only found this out recently, but if you hold down the mouse, it speeds up the video. Who would have guessed? How do you like find out? Where's this stuff like written down? Anyway, project setup. Yeah. Don't need that. Well, okay. Weird flex, but okay. Yep, data methods. Yep. I'm not going to use multi-threading. That's effort. Single thread, all the lag. Let's go. So here's an enum for block types. They do take their time. Even like sped up, this guy's taken too long to read a fucking list of things. To be fair, I guess it's best if you're going slower than faster. If you're newer, which if you're trying to make Minecraft in Unity, yeah, you're probably new to programming. This is like the first thing I assume most Minecraft kids will look up. Okay, you know what? Shut up. Junk data, which I'm just gonna. Okay, you know what? I don't even need him to speak. I'm just gonna try and interpret. Every chunk has blocks, yeah, and the chunk size and the height, and then the reference to the world position, which I guess is just the chunk position. And I'm not gonna make it so like you can break the terrain. Then you autisms me. Anyway. And then it's just creating it, okay. And then the blocks. Okay. That's how he does it. So it's stored like one after the other. I feel like that's unnecessary, but I guess. Is it like most of this is going to be air? Yeah, I know. I muted it, mother. Oh my god. Do you listen? I said I turned it off because I don't need to. I can interpret. Oh my god. This guy. Imagine not listening. Imagine. Couldn't be me. Yeah, I muted it. No. I don't need it because it's just fucking gobbledygook that I don't need to listen to. Like, this is all just basic stuff. When it starts to get more interesting, maybe, but right now, like, it's just fucking, yeah. Only this. You just create an enum and a class. Alright, so this is the shit that I need to pay attention to, is this class, because this is more foreign to me. I've done all this stuff before, but I still don't quite get my head around the theory. And to save me the time. He's also got the collider data. What does he do with this? Oh, that's crazy. No way. Sounds rich. Chocolate, orange, hot chocolate. Like, it feels like it might be a bit much. You know? Yeah, it's all this shit. The fucking triangles, like, you go 0, 1, 2, and then that says that. And 0, 2, 3, and that says that. Right, it's me drunk. Wait. Eat. I see. Yeah, this stuff here I hate. So, but to be fair, I think you only need this method. Hey Jake, how you doing? Long time no see. Going good. It's going good. It's long story to explain everything, but it's going good. Is the summary. On track. The plan is all according to plan. Theme game is on the way. Yeah, don't worry, that's still around. I'm just taking a break from it to focus on my commercial game at the moment. But it's all the VTuber spawning stuff is coming back. Just I'm in crunch time at the moment because I need to get this game done. I don't want to be splitting my attention 50-50 on the VTuber stuff and Yeah, you can change it. If, oh, actually, depends how many channel points you have. If you so many things to explain. The channel points have been replaced with a leveling system now. You go from level 0 to level 9. Just so then you can use commands instead of redeems now. So they just have a cooldown and no cost, other than leveling up. Right. Well, I need to nick this guy's code. Gimme. Fuck. I don't want to be on your mailing list. All right. Well. I don't. I want people to play my game without any of their fame. I want to make a popular game, but then not be known. I like living a quiet life. I'm a quiet person. Oh, don't worry. You wait, guys. Demonstrate how annoying the TTS can be. It's a good thing. Don't worry. It's not weeaboo. It's weeboo. It's the noise Husky makes apparently. But yeah, they've found the most annoying TTS voices that are available, and the most annoying things to say as those voices. Like that, for example. So don't worry about being annoying. That is what 90% of the streamers nowadays. Alright, let's create things. Chunk data? No, mesh data. always. Got to take care of our own, innit? As much as they drive me insane on a daily basis, and have probably reduced my IQ by at least half. They're all I have. I have no one else at the moment. It depends what you want to do in life, I guess. French, likely. Autisms, yep. But exams aren't the be all end all. Never are. It's always about who you know, not what you know. That's the rule in life. If you're good with people, then you don't really need exams. If not, then you might need them just to so you can dedicate yourself to stuff. Hello, Scar. Yeah, there is no real solution to if it's compulsory education, just sort of knock it down and get through it, but never stress too much over it. Never think it's the be all end all, because it never is. It's always good to do well. Always aim to do your best, but even if you fall short, not the end of the world. There's a career path for everyone. You see all those people that failed high school? They're all doing OnlyFans now. There's a path for everyone. All right, let's just yoink this. Cheers. This the vector 3. I try my best. Aw, bless. I was not expecting so much wholesomeness one day. Nice change of pace, innit? See? This is what you could be, guys. Be like Jake. Well, good luck. I'm notoriously hard to make laugh. My sense of humor is wicked. Let's do this. Collider. Angles. There we go. Public mesh data. Huh. It's not the most advanced AI. Uh-huh. That checks out. Hello, Newtonium. Oh, wait, I can turn on the music again. What am I doing? Dinner in silence. Yep. Wait, is it playing or am I just... Fuck is this? We put this on. Was not expecting classical. First we have a Rickroll. I was expecting something worse than a Rickroll. Then you hit me with some smooth classical. Is main mesh? What even is this? Big bucket of soup. Wait, what happened? Got told to get the day off again. I don't like my schedule. That's good, right? Haha. 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 Hee. Woohoo. Alright, where's the next bit that I have to steal? Yeah, it'll do that. I guess that's just how trends work. There we go. Ah, right, yeah. Damn. Can we just, like, say no? Oh, yeah, I saw that. That replaced Mr. Beast with the record. You can get 1 million views by making a game on it. On Skibidi Toilet? I know. The only thing stopping me is, dignity. Crazy anguished. Don't you fucking start with me, Blip. Blip has recently taken to quoting my TikToks back at me. If anyone remembers those. But not even the good ones, like the old ones. Okay. I'm just trying to code, boys. Shut up, Blip. Vertices.add vertex. Well, I know. Don't do it, Blip. Don't do it. Yeah. Wait, what's your what's your style? What's your brand? What kind of videos do you make? Do some public brainstorming. Oh, is this not gonna? Oh, there. Motion edits. Oh. Well, I guess just what's one that always does well? Breaking Bad. Those ones always do well. Breaking Bad edits always. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Do sit, look up other edits, see what people are editing, see what gets the most views, and then just copy that. When in doubt, copy, like I'm doing right now. Mm-hmm. I mean, I could check for you. Oh, thank you very much. What do you name yours? Oh god, Skibbity Toilet 67 Part 4 in reverse. The most popular one was roasting cringe Roblox storytime videos. Roasting cringe Roblox story. Okay, I think I see a pattern with your most popular videos. They're all Roblox related. Maybe another Roblox edit. That seems to work, so I don't need this. Actually, I can just have this on the other screen. What am I doing? You guys don't need to see that. Yeah, just do it. Fuck it. Whatever works. Whatever works. They also yep, they're also Roblox. And Skibbity Toilet. Um, fuck it. Just keep out the Roblox then. Why not? Why not? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It is slightly crazy. Let's see, Findad. What? I want to see this. I'm just. Shut up. Oh, all right, now fucking Blip's got Burke on it. Great. Why is there a German person now? Four, three, two, 4, 2, 1. All right, I think that's all that's I can steal from this video. Wee woo. Well, if it's all Roblox, probably not. I don't. This is a very foreign part of YouTube to me. It seemed you leaned heavily into Skibbity Toilet. I think you should return to your Roblox roots. You know. Yeah. I'm not watching Skibbity Toilet. It's not happening. No amount of money you could pay me. That ain't happening. No, I'm not. No, we're not even touching that. I mean, to be fair, like, you know, I saw a post that was like, you know, we had like Ugandan knuckles in our time, which made as little sense as possible. So like, I can't really shit on them too hard for liking weird things like that. Plus, YouTube poops have always been popular, and it's like borderline YouTube poop. Oh yeah. Do you know the way? The police are after me. You catch Ebola. Hello, wait. Chosen got here? When did Chosen get here? I missed that. Hello, Chosen. Do you know the way? Oh, one at a time. One at a time. One at a time. Calm down, boys. What are we paying you for? Last I checked, you're not paying me. I haven't received a Twitch paycheck in like months. I don't think I even earn enough anymore to qualify. Oh my god. Right. Chunk. Need chunk. Mesh. Filter. Filter. Then you pew pew me. Private mesh collider. Yeah, that's how it happens. It comes fast and quick. Don't take that out of context. Well, have you tried not doing that? That might help. Go Gizmo. What's Gizmo's for? The applicate. Which what? Which application? Public. Oh shit. Wait, I think I might have forgotten the chunk data class. Damn it. Oh, what, Unity or Visual Studio? Because Visual Studio isn't just for Unity, but it's one of the things it can do. Alright, I forgot fucking. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and something you should. I try and read messages or listen to messages because I can't read them because I'm working. These are different to the other ones because I just can't focus on chat as much. So I might miss your messages. It happens a lot more in dev streams. Using the views to my advantage, then I would just ditch this random shit. Lol. Yeah, but like, what do you get from it? Does YouTube pay you? Do you get ads on that shit? Need block block type. Then 8 months delay. Goddamn. Something I found is the longer break you take, the longer it takes to get back into your flow. That's good. Yeah, get back to work. Get back to work. What are you doing? But yeah, I didn't upload for 4 months. You know, I'd average sort of these amount of views before. Then I took a 4-month break or something like that, and now it's sort of just it's less, but you know, it's going back up. But like, it takes a little bit of time to get back into good graces. I think you need another like video to pop off before they start pushing your stuff again. Holy fuck. Yeah, but that was only for you, Leaf. That was actually when I read chat, but seeing as these are dev streams, I don't really read chat anymore. So I listen to chat, and you can't hear caps locks, so yeah. If it was in the if it was in a VTuber stream, it would be different. But thanks for coming by. Hope you enjoy your study. Study hard, study well. Of course, Mariah shows up. Wait, is this? Hmm. Hmm. Nice. I am. I am. Perpetually annoyed, but you know, happy when you guys succeed. Sometimes, occasionally proud. It does. You can't have Christmas without Mariah Carey. It's just lore at this point. Ba-bam, 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 ba. Yeah, I need to get in the spirit, boys. I haven't felt Christmassy in years, dude. I don't know what it is. Like I've just not had the Christmas spirit. I think it's the lack of snow in London. We haven't had snow in forever. But you must get out of the way with. Mm-hmm. Yeah, stop being lazy. Go study. Study. I see one more message. Better God, I'm telling your mother. World. Yeah, well, to be fair, London's we never really had that good snow. Even in the good old days. Too much smog, I guess. Good. For your own benefit. A public chunk, data, int, size, world, int, position. Don't you fucking start that again. Height equals height. A fucking TCS voice. Position. All we need. Slightly smiling. Oh, not a full smile. Need to give him more praise. Alright. Now we got that. Data. I mean, you can. I will sick my mods on you. No. Okay. Private mesh. Who does? Other than like having a banger Twitter account, like what do they actually do? Fucking use Google, innit? Well, what if I want to blow my computer? Have you considered that? Oh, tune. No. And as a code, that's as far as my expertise goes. But from my little experience in both of those, they both suck. Fucking modeling sucks. Blender sucks. Rigging, weight painting sucks. I hate all of it. Can't do it. Why making a game is so hard for me. I need to get some more people. I need to build a team. But alas, I do not have the money to pay a team. Especially since I'm making a free game. Chunk. Data. Data equals data. No, that's not what I want to do. Really? Private void render. Yeah, it might be. Sounds from Undertake. Yeah. Mesh clear. Mesh dot sub. Mesh dot data dot concap. That part of system dot link. Yep. Data dot water dot vertices dot to array. Okay. Copying code is so fun because it makes it look like you're fucking an amazing coder that knows exactly what he's doing. Data dot triangle dot array. Mesh dot set triangles. I do kind of understand this stuff, so at least I am partially. Data.uv.concat data.water.uv. Oh my god. Don't start singing. Come on, somebody else continue on. Sing the whole song together. Calculate normals. This, yeah. Send me from here. Bro. Never heard that song. It's like, Jesus. Listen to a song much? Bro, you need to listen to some more singles, Christmas singles. There we go. Once bitten, twice shy. There you go. That's it, right? Wait. No, wait. Uh-huh. Oh my god. Tony. Sounds even worse with that fucking accent. Totally. There you go. You heard it here first. Okay, back to studying. Back to studying. That's fine. Better than listening to nothing. Which, speaking of, music queue's empty. So that means I get playlist privileges, right? Cool. Yeah, go back to studying, Jake. What are you doing? Focus. You know, leaving the stream on probably isn't for the best. It's just going to distract you. You can mute it though. You know, pog. No, go study. Go study. Go. Christmas classics. Guess this is a Christmas classic. Not a tune I'd normally listen to, but eh. All right. Okay, see why this guy called it chunk. Bum bum bum. Na na na. Bam 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 bam. Ba-da-da-da-da. Bam 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 bam. It's so peaceful now. What the fuck? Quiet. I can hear myself think. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Depression, maybe. Yeah, I can't be depressed. I don't know. Hopefully, a new keyboard because my M key does not work. Well, it's kind of working today. I don't think I can be depressed. I think I'm immune to it. I have like two emotions. I'm either happy or angry, and that's it. I never get depressed or sad. I don't allow myself to, you know. To me, time spent being sad or depressed is time wasted. You know, that's how I see it. I see every second is valuable. I'd rather spend it being happy and or angry. Because you need angry. You need angry sometimes. Angry is a useful emotion. Can't just be completely zen all the time. But I try not to let things affect me. I try to live the life of a stoic. Everything? Seems like everything for now. Oh, goody. Bum, bum, bum. Here can Santa Claus. Ba, ba, ba. Na, na, na. Oh, I know. Bam, 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 bam. Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Oh, that's cool. Hmm. This is something I didn't know you could do. I never. Well, I guess I did know you could do it, but never really tried it before. He was teaching me stuff. Did not expect that. Apparently, selection needs to be a Unity editor. If active object equals game object, draw cube. It's only been 5 minutes. I must have had not too much left then, I guess. But glad to be of service. There it was. 1F, 0F, 1F. Well, keep going, keep going. Don't stop now. Done as much as you can. Why did I make that red? Ah, boy. A soldier. So, to 3 center equals data chunk size divided by 2. Data dot height divided by 2. Data dot size divided by 2. Size equals data dot size, data dot height, data dot size. Oh god, hands are all over the place today. Alright, so that should be good. Alright, so let's go into a new scene. For test purposes. Where's the scene? Testing. Junk. Junk. Needs a mesh filter, mesh collider. Hey, Sleaze. Where? Which one's the default cube? I'm just going to assume that is. Materials, white, drag. Wait, no, that. There we go. So now, what's that doing it? Oh, the data's null, right. Okay. So how do we set the data? I think that's in the next video. Chunk class. But he's got a whole video just for this class, and it's 12 minutes long. God damn. Oh, and he has multiple materials. One for water as well. Do that. Put down blue. Okay, fuck the song. And the song. Alright, you know what? Need something more modern. Those are all Michael Bublé. There we go. Much better. Songs actually no. Or a decent. Bam, 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 bam. Ba-da-da-dum. Bam, 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 bam. So on chunk, public static mesh div type fin chunk data mesh data equals mesh. What is that? Is min mesh. All right. I guess it's like sub meshes for like water and stuff. Kind of cool. Ba, 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 ba. Turn. Oh, come on, mesh data. Now I'm just get loop through blocks. Interesting. Cool. S public static through the blocks. What was it? Chunk data chunk action int action to perform. What he calls it at least. Chunk data. Damn. Blocks dot length. That's addition from index. Guy just works before he's even like defined things. It's crazy. Position equals get position from index. Chunk data. I. Action to perform. Pause X, pause the Y, pause the Z. Okay. I guess that's why he does it. You can just do that. Pretty cool. Int. Okay. X equals index odd chunk data dot size int y equals index divided by data size mod data dot height that equals index divided by chunk data dot size chunk data dot height. Okay. Okay, and he has a oh god. Twice it's gonna be a big class. Static bool in range. Oh, Mariah's back. Chunk data x 0 or x is greater than equal chunk data dot size and false and true. But static bool in range height chunk data x. I wonder how much money Mariah earns from this song every year. Just this song alone. Must be insane. It's insanely rich. Data dot height. Too much. Like once you've got like a million or two, what even is the point of money anymore? Just beating life. I Well, we're just setting up the class for chunks so far. But all in all, not bad. So humble. Humblest. Humble is my middle name. Okay, then we need a static void set block. Chunk data chunk data vector 3 int local position. No, I am the humblest. My crown. Block type block. If in range chunk data local pos.x and in range height chunk data local pos.y. The cool thing is I'm actually like good enough at Unity now that I actually understand everything that I'm writing, even though I didn't write this code and I'm copying it. I get the logic behind all of it. Feels good. Index you get index from position chunk data and so local pos.y local pos.z chunk data. Legs are floating, shoes connected now. Well, that doesn't sound good. Oh, and get index from isn't defined this one as well. Fucking this guy. There we go. Oh, and if this fails. Log error. Valid world. Chunk position. Weeboo. Like that. That good? Good. Nice. Okay, and then it does turn x plus chunk data dot size times y plus chunk data dot size times chunk data dot height times z. Apparently that's what we need to do. In a minute. Static vector 3 int get block in chunk coordinates. Chunk data, chunk, oh my god. Vector 3 int position. Return new. Pos x minus chunk data dot pos dot x. Pos dot y minus chunk data dot pos dot y. Pos dot z minus chunk data dot pos dot z. Cool. Still groovy. What the? Wait. Oh my god, we got so many fucking methods. As you would. Get block from chunk coordinates. And y instead. Chunk data x. Data. Chunk data. Index. Get index from position. Data x, y, z. And chunk data dot blocks. The implies. Probably air. Air should be 0. RC 1, stone equals 2. Yeah. Alright, good enough. Oh, I love the buble. Log error invalid. Chunk stored x y. Hey. Hey. Oh, and there's a made another one. Make it easier. The 3 int. What's it? Chunk data, pos to x, pos to y, pos to z. Alright. Almost at the end of the video. It seems like the chunk class is mostly done. Cool. Next video. Oh, no, don't be surprised. It's Jeffrey. He's actually there to help you with your studying. He's friendly. Give him a pet. It's Jeffrey the Exam Demon. He helped me study. I kept getting distracted and he kept, like, keeping me on focus. Hmm. Block data. Oh. Uses scriptable objects for block data. Hmm. It probably is. He's a little prankster, Jeffrey. Uh, block data. Okay, asset menu. Menu name. Let's go. Yo, is that Ari? My sister used to be a major Ariana Grande fan. But then apparently she's fallen off since because she's a home wrecker, according to my sister. So I guess Ari got cancelled for I don't know something. It did, but dude, all I do is work. Mostly because I enjoy it. You know, find something you can enjoy, which is why I haven't got a job yet. Why I'm unemployed because I want to enjoy what I do. That's why I've been giving this whole live streaming, make my own game thing. That's why I'm in a rush to get this game done by February. Because like February's like kind of the deadline I give myself. It's been like 2 years unemployed, and I feel I should have a job at this point. So I'm giving myself until February to get a game out. If it does well, I keep going. If it doesn't, I get a job, and it's good for the portfolio. So there you go. That's my plan. So far, it's going all right. 50 wish list. Let's go. Need 4,950 more. Hmm. No, oh, at least you improves your foreign language skills. Plus side. You always got to look on the bright side. Texture size, texture data list. What is this? What the fuck? Hmm. Sounds like teachers. Some of them just really don't give a fuck. Uh. Private vector to int. Up, down, left. Up, down, side. Oh, this is what appears on the side. Oh. Why is it vector 2? Some Minecraft shit right here. Bool is solid. Will generate. Oh, God. Fortnite's infected everything. Private. But text is X. Y. Yeah, I saw the trailer. It's fucking insane. How everything is in Fortnite now. Oh no, texture data. Texture data. Okay, wait. I should probably actually listen. I should probably actually listen to this bit. What do you mean? Oh, the UV coordinates. I see. I told you it's Jeffrey. He's chill. He's chill. Yeah, don't overthink it. Oh, shit, if it's not Jeffrey. Well, Jeffrey will protect you. Blocks. So it'd be cool if I could just do it as simple as, like, you know, new block here and then test. Good, good. Where is it? Well, can't find it. All right. I'm confused. What the fuck? Bum bum dum ba dum bum. Ah, yeah, that'll do it. Bum ba bum bum bum. Hmm. Okay, I'm starting to get it now. No. No, I'm just trying to figure out this part. Like, so I thought this block stuff. Oh, what the fuck? No, no. Oh, this why? No, wait a sec. Oh, this guy. This isn't a good way to do it. This is just UV coordinates. Um, it's not too complicated. You've got, you know, like down here will be 0, 0. This will be like 1, 1, and then that's how you like the coordinate of the block you want to use, right? Maybe divided by 10 or something. He's saying, I think. That's how you point to, like, that's how it does it in Minecraft. It has like one image. That's all it needs, and it just points to different locations for you what you want to show. The only issue is this guy created this. I mean, actually, no, it does make sense to do it like this. I don't really like doing it like this. Okay. It wasn't like one thing for each block. It was every block is in this one thing, which I don't like as much because then you have to scroll. Say you have like 1,000 blocks, then you have to scroll through this list, and it's not easy to find. Whereas if it's like here, you can just scroll down. You know, it's sorted by like alphabet. All right, I might rework this a bit. Gonna do that. Oh wait. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, don't let him riz you up. Trap. Can't believe riz is Oxford's like Oxford Dictionary's word of the year. He's smooth, all right. Smooth criminal. UV. Hmm. Settings. I'm gonna have to edit this guy's stuff a little bit, which isn't good when you deviate from the tutorial, but hopefully I can piece it together. Hey, he learned that on his own. He's just a smooth criminal. But like now I want to do it like this, you know. So this is like air. Okay, another one is something else. Air is not solid and does not need a collider. There we go. Yeah, see that I like the system more. Fuck this guy's tutorial. Come again. Well, there are some currently commands that you probably have access to. I don't know what. Have you leveled up yet? How many channel points do you have? But depending on what you are, level zeros can skip music, and that's about it. Outside of the VTuber stuff, but like level ones can do hug. Let's go. Text to speech. Oh, that's you can change your voice at level 1. You can trick or treat. That's something else you can do at level 1. Tony, show him trick or treating. Well, they're currently like level 7, 8, and 9 doesn't really have anything. Like, or level 6. Or level 5. Currently, I've only really got up to like level 4, where you can change outfits. I still need to think of more like commands. No, mate, you got to earn it. You got to earn it. There you go. That's trick or treat. That's a command you can do at level 1. And you do exclamation mark trick or treat and then the person's name. And it's a 50-50% chance of either you get timed out or they get timed out. But if you get timed out, you get timed out for 50 seconds. If they get timed out, they get timed out for 5 seconds. So risk reward. But that's what you can do at level 1. If you ever want to time someone out. But it might backfire. But that's all part that was part of the Christmas update. So there'll be more commands like that and shit in the future. But yeah, like I said, I haven't really worked on VTuber stuff in a while. Oh, banger. Tune. Yeah, it was a timeout of... Oh, there he goes. Who did it this time? Newtonium. Everyone picking on Jay. They're trying to get you to study. Yeah, you got to get back to studying. I forgot that. Bless. But yeah, no, you got to be level 1. Yep, I know. Unfortunate. That's fine. People get like level 1 in like 1 stream. It helps if I think you're subbed or something, you get double or whatever. But I think you can get it in 1 stream. Yeah, get back to it. Get back to it. Alright, is this else? Yeah, because this guy has like, ugh, look at this. This is how he does it. And like, when you're searching down this list, there's like 1,000 things. It just says like element 0. So you have to like open each one to find the one you're looking for, like that one. And you're, oh, it's under 7. Yeah, because 7's very descriptive, isn't it? Fucking, this sucks. Good for a small game, but not very scalable. And you know me, I'm all about scaling. Modularity. And improving this. Doing this guy's job for him. Right, block data manager. If you say so. Wait, what's this used for? Extra offset, tile size, block data dictionary. Oh, so this is a lookup. Yeah, okay, this guy. Oh my, and then he does what I was gonna do anyway. Okay, he's just done some really shitty thing that I was. What's the need? What's resource? In that, we need this 4 blocks. blocks hit public static dictionary block type block data. Yep. Private set. Yep. Skip ahead a bit. Probably missing a lot of no, never mind, I'm not. Void load lookup. Hydrate. Oh yeah, right. I never realized when my throat's getting dry. Block. Data. Data. Resource, but you can probably hear it. Not resources. Dot load all. Block data. Resource. Dot. Blocks. Yeah, no, I do not hydrate at all. I shit once every 4 days because I'm so dehydrated. And when I do it, it rips me apart because it's so dry. Yeah. I do not drink enough water. Probably TMI, but I just don't feel the need to drink. And I know I should, but I can't really be asked. So just remember. It's because I work too hard. I'll take another shot of water. That's enough. That's enough. It's more hydration than I've had in the past month. If lookup contains data dot type. I didn't. Okay. Well, now you know. The more you know. Duplicate block type. Jake, back to studying. Bad boy. Oh wait, we don't even need this. Oh, fuck's sake. I'm looking out for you. Saving you from yourself. Bam, bam, bam. Public static float. Tile size X. Private set. Here. And Y. Well, let's see. I know. Understandable. Take a break. Have a little walkabout. Stretch your legs. Stretch everything. Stretch your back. Just get up, clear your head a little bit. Maybe play a game. What I like to do. Just to have a break from the monotonous stuff. Oh, like right out. Big stretch. Oh, tune. Oh, all right. Dude, there's so many good Christmas songs. Get down. Okay, so he does the lookup. Alright, that's the end of that tutorial. Almost through. At least the first part. Everyone get back to work. Everyone's slacking today. So we need... Wait. Where I want to... Wow, you got me. Okay. Oh, I most definitely can. Just did. Get your ass back to work. Direction. Well, can't beat that. Direction. Okay. Enum. Up. Down. Left. Right. Forward. Backward. There we go. Direction extension. That's cool. Huh. I didn't know you could do that. Wait. Oh, NASA's live ship. My biggest competitor. I'm just shove it in here. Yep. Direction. Sorry, what? I missed. Now someone having to get some rest because sometimes he avoids himself. What's that man? I see. Sounds like a stand-up guy. He gets it. He gets it. Yeah, vector. This direction. Turn direction. I didn't know you could do this. Can you not do that? Wait, is this not? Oh, this guy can do it. Vector. I don't have to, but I've got nothing else to do. And I see it gets lonely when you're just working day in, day out. I don't talk to my friends anymore because they're all playing games that I don't play and not inviting me. My other friends are traveling the world right now. uh, I do have you on Discord, yes. I'm active in the Discord relatively. That keeps me sane, but it's not the same typing, you know? I need to speak. I need to use my vocal cords, otherwise I'll just disintegrate. Lock helper. Alright, this seems like a meaty class. This lock. Why can't I spell direction? What was wrong? Backwards, downwards. I think this has to be in a specific order. Ah. Who are you calling a hoe? Take a vector to int. Have you know I take my chastity very seriously. Direction. Direction. Type. Block type. Which. Yeah. Ah. No checking that works. No. Ugh, this guy. This could easily error. This is assuming that they all exist. Doesn't even do a check for it. Why am I learning from this guy? He's terrible. Fuck. Let's go. Jeffrey Carey. Good shit. Good shit. I know. Direction. Direction. Na, 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 You're the one that did the work. You're the one that did the work. God streamer. Feliz Navidad. Up. Feliz Navidad. What can I say? I'm just so cool and funny. Okay, I'm glad it worked. A Merry Christmas. Data dot. Yep. Okay. Okay. Side? Wait, did I fucking... Is this side, not size? Fuck me. Good. Stay proactive. Stay proactive. You can't work on one thing, try something else. But never do nothing. Never be like my sister and just browse TikTok for hours. Don't do that. Can't stress that enough. 1 a.m. Get down. Yeah, go get some rest. Have a nice sleep. Pressure myself too much, but then I'd never get anything done if I didn't. You know? Merry Christmas. Yeah, something else on the computer, I assume. I mean, what else is there in life? A song right now. Let's go. Wait, what did I say that I couldn't? What? Good, 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 good. Let's go, as you should. I mean, most people found me through TikTok. Very good for promoting and advertising because everyone is addicted to it. But don't, much like a drug dealer, don't get high on your own product. Let's see. Is it Skibbity Toilet? If so, I don't think I might lose my sanity. Use a TTS or is it your actual voice? I would check the video, but was Oh wait, that's this. Oh, it's a vector too, not that. Yeah. Cool. UVs. Okay, this is where it gets weird. Right. Look at this shit. What is this? Madness. So 0. Box tile size x. Tile pos dot x. Box dot size. I forgot the texture offset. Texture float. Whatever. Also take breaks of fit. If I open Twitch, found your stream immediately. What, through browsing? Oh, to be fair, in the where do I show up actually? Out of curiosity. Software and engineering category. No, software and game development. Right. Oh no, I'm pretty far down on that. Oh, there's a lot of developers. Oh, there I am. Right down here. My little reserve spot. One day, boys. One day. One day we'll be up here. There's a lot of developers, which is cool. I don't remember this ever being so full of people. It used to be quite a niche category. There's a lot more than it used to be. I watched Ghibli Toilet because I was curious. What the fuck is this bullshit? Yeah, I watched one of them and it just looks like YouTube poop. Yeah. Oh, right. Thank you for the reassurance. But yeah, I never falter. I never falter. I never doubt myself. Oh dear God. Yeah, thank you. That's what I was trying to say. 001. But yeah, I never really falter in I know everyone has those feelings of doubt of is this worth it? Should I continue? Should I give up? But luckily for me, I'm quite good at pushing those thoughts aside. They're non-productive, don't help anyone, and distract me from work. All I do is just I just put my head down, knuckle down, and work hard. All I know how to do. All I enjoy doing. Texture offset. Yeah, that's number 1. X. Gotta be careful because all these things look the same, but they're not. There's minute differences, but the way this is laid out, not the most clear. Blocks dot offset. I'm still just setting up the basics. I'm just trying to get this across, but this guy does it on multiple lines and shit, and it's hard to look at, and I don't fuck it up. Dear Dharma. I can't actually see chat, so I'm just going to rely on that Dharma is actually leaving. I'll pause. Why? Box. Size. Okay. Box. Texture offset. Miss you all. We're not going anywhere. Okay. Yeah. The next 20 minutes. I'm sure. Yeah, but it's slightly different. You know, the Y value has like a slightly different. I'm sure this has a reason, but it's UV stuff, so I don't really get it. But I'm going to assume he knows what he's talking about. I assume this is just how it finds the, the texture UV points for a specific texture or whatever. I don't know. Number 2 is tile size.x times tile size, tile pos.x plus offset minus, plus offset. Oh no, that's it. Then it ends. And this is then y times tile pos.y plus size.y minus offset. I guess that's the same. And then, oh, it's Christmas time. Yeah, I know. It's the worst. Especially when you're not the one writing it. And it's like, I think they're just swapping around positions. Okay. Tile size.x, tile pos.x, plus texture offset. That's the same. Same x, same y. Or same x, same x. I'm starting to see the pattern. Tile size.y times tile pos.y plus offset. I think that's it. Right? Seems like the y is the only thing changing every time. Whatever. I don't care. Let's go. Ooh. Well, there's quite a few to choose from. So what does he do next? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Why is that so posh? Oh, God. Lovely. More of this. Oh, and it's just swapping around the pluses and the minuses. Well, better get to it, because I don't want to sign up to this guy's fucking email list just to get this code. A news anchor. Public. Get face vertice. Direction. It's accent Y instead. Mesh data. Mesh data. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes you have to hardcode stuff like that. But it's not even that. It's not even hard coded. Just the way it looks. If blocks dot lookup dot contains block type block data block blocks lookup block type. Will generate slider. Well, not really, because you need to specify, because there's a certain combination it needs for each direction. So not really. I don't really see a better way of doing this, or like one that wouldn't like take more energy than it needs than just writing the 4 lines of code for each switch statement. Which direction? Dash there. Dude, this playlist is actually a really good one. Add. You know what? Yeah, I wish Boris Johnson sounded like that. I know a bunch more rambling, and you might be on the right path. Ugh. Oh, my feet are getting cold now. Rain tonight. Let's go. Such quite a nice voice. Yeah, I wish. I'd release a bike plushie, not a Findustries plushie. Imprint. Finmas. Is that what we're calling this? So it's a humble Questmas. Collider. And 4. And then minus. I'm at one set. I'm focusing. I'm make sure I don't fuck this up. That. Right. Oh wait. Oh, this isn't. This is for backwards. Oh god, they're not even in the same order that I've done them. Damn it. There. So then we need one for forward. That's plus minus forward minus plus minus. And that's the same. And these are all plus. And left. These are all minus. Dude, these voices are just so fucking weird. You're actually like filling out the Findustries universe now. Got the strange Vietnamese man and a news anchor that's now interviewing the strange Vietnamese man. Right. Being interviewed. Right. Down. Minus. Don't we all? Go. Greg will probably be the black market dealer in a tank team though. That makes you happy. Yeah, no, Greg doesn't exist. What you want? Minus. Plus. But why is it, I want to see up. Oh my god, I didn't even cover them all. This fucker. Okay, there we go. No, stop. Oh my god, he shows like one bit I need for like a split second. Damn. Alright, here, minus. Plus. Then go. I remember my mum said, my mum wasn't too impressed by the first new Doctor Who episode, but the second one she said she liked it a lot. Not that I know what that means, but alright, there we go. Public static mesh data get face data in. Right. Oh, no, it's not what. What? Fucking hell, god damn it. Oh, and it skipped that song. No, I don't want it. No. Oh, it's... Yeah, there we go. Okay. There we go. I don't want no Leaf music. I'm in a Christmas mood. Dunk. Why instead? Hmm. Apparently, she just liked the second one more. I don't know why, but totally, yeah. Arms. He's coming. He's coming. At some point. Doctor Who. Ugh. Oh dear God. He called it a movie. He called it a movie. To be fair, it's a British show, so it's pretty popular, like globally. The, you know what? I'll rename this. Just I don't know. I saw it even like mention like BoJack Horseman and stuff like that. Like, and there is a big American audience enjoys it. Not even that niche. Get to find. Out. Fuck date. Oh yeah, Weeping Angels. You know Weeping Angels? Surely. Culture icon. That's like one of the most famous things from that show. You do know Weeping Angels. Well, that's from Doctor Who. Or yeah, any of those. Hmm. It was an episode of all time. The one with the Matt Smith one as well, I found fucking terrifying as a kid. Um, Weeboo. Didn't. I might. I'm just concerned that I don't have enough information from the previous series. Like, how much do they reference the previous two Doctors? Like Capaldi and the other one. I yeah. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, the breaknecks. I remember now. If find out block data. Find out block data. Oh, Don. No, Don is fine. It's just yeah, the Capaldi and what was her name? Joe. No, I know it. What was her name? Buffer. Jodie Foster. Right? Is that it? Jodie Foster. Right? I thought it was Joe something. Whitaker. Something like that. What is it? That is Jodie Foster, right? Jodie. No, not Jodie. No, not Jodie Foster. Oh, it's Jodie Whittaker, yeah. This doctor. When he turned into a woman. There we go. Uh-huh. Sue, that must be Blip. Hey, Blip. UV. God, so much coding. Uh-huh. Out, block, data, data. There we go. Cool. And I can probably rename, actually, wait. Let's just check if it shows up anywhere else. It does not. Rename this back to lookup. Yep. After this, oh my god, there's so much code. Crazy. Alright. Static data. Get mesh data. Chunk data. Chunk. Int. Z. Mesh data. Block type. Block type. Now. If block type equals air. Or wait, nothing. Okay, like that. Or block type. Probably a better way to do this, but I'll redo his code once I actually figure out what the fuck this all means. For each direction, direction, direction. Neighbor, neighbor, block coordinates. X, Y, Z. Direction dot get vector. Huh? That's a thing you can do? Wait, how does this work? Oh, wait, is that it? Does this mean that that does that? Is this how you extend stuff? I don't know. That's kind of cool. Is this just an enum? Oh, that is cool. Okay. If you do this, it makes it like I don't even know how that works. But look, it's like calling a method from an enum. You can't do that normally. Yeah, look. An extension. But what made it an extension? Is it the this? If I get rid of that. Yeah, see, look at that. That's cool. Now that it doesn't exist. If you put this for some reason, if you put this, it just knows where to find this, I guess. This isn't even in the same, like, I mean, it's in the same folder, but this guy did it in another one anyway, so, or folder, a file. But he did his in a different file and it still worked. That's cool. Did not know that. You can add methods to things if you put this before the thing. Who would have guessed? Don't know how I'll ever use that, but that's cool. That's cool. What's that a good command? Ain't doing. Now, back on to doing chunk, chunk, chunk coordinates. That returns what's a block type. Block type. That. No. If thing not find out block data. Nah, I kind of like this Christmas music. I kind of vibe with it. So famous, but not really. Should I? What if I say no? Block data. Data is solid equals loss. Okay. Oh my god, this guy's there's so much like hard. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not sure I like this. This guy's hard coding. I'm gonna follow this guy's tutorials, but like, look, he's hard coding all this stuff. There might be more airy, non whatever things in the future. So I think for now, follow this, but definitely have to rework this once I actually figure out why the fuck he's doing all this. And why? What is water? Ugh, gross. I feel gross, but it has to happen, I guess. I only have a water one. I don't need until I find all these compulsory ones. If statements. If the neighbor is air, to be fair, there's a fixed water mesh. This is where I start to lose track of actually what any of this stuff does. It's complex. Well, not this part. Oh god. That water. Public set. The mesh. Oh. There we go. Alright, cool. Okay, I think he's explaining. I'm not really listening. I probably should be, but the whole water thing, if it's next to air, then he is. I think it's just the border between air and water, or non-water and water, I guess. Hmm. We do tend to attract that sort. I should really be listening to this. Hmm. Alright, fuck it. I don't need to listen to this. Okay. This is bad. I need now. Else. Get face data in direction chunk x Mesh data type. Okay. Then okay. And that's that video done. When are we actually going to be able to render this shit? Oh, and the next video is called Rendering the Terrain. Goddamn. It was 19 minutes. Okay, so this is now we're getting into the generation part. So I won't do this in world. World generates the tiles. Now we need What are we just doing here? Oh, no, that's a static. See you, Danny. Enjoy your food. Bring some home for me. What do we call this? Chunk generator. Chunk generator. Private int size. What this guys? Wait, this is the map size in chunks. Oh, this is generate the whole map. Hmm. Yeah, this is where I'm probably going to differentiate a bit. Height 100. But it is. Private noise scale. You can see. Mode. Right. Let's see how he does this. Oh, there we go. Generate voxels. That sounds promising. Generate chunk data. Point x. Less than data dot size. Z. Less than. Float and noise equals. Here we go. Here comes the purlin. Data dot world x scale. Data dot pos dot z times noise scale. Is that? Oh, pos. Int ground position left. Int noise value. Oh wait. Noise. Wait. God damn it. There we go. For int y. Less than. Right. Block type. Type. Block type. Block type. It's also hard coding as well. I'll just follow what he's doing. But edit this at the end. If y is greater than ground, pause. Y is the threshold. Block type water. Else block type equals air. I guess the dirt is just for default. Block type. Let's see. 3. Huh? Chunk dot set. Okay. Okay, now we need the generate. Oh, there's a generate world thing. Clears it, destroys it, clears it, goes through it, creates new stuff. Okay, so generate tools. Chunk data. Data equals new. That size, height. Null. Don't really need that. That x times size 0 size. What's x? Oh right. Guess this is its 0 0 for now. Okay. That. And it generates. Then it goes through and it creates theme object. Generates a voxel. Mesh data chunk get mesh chunk data the data theme object chunk instantiate chunk prefab. I need that identity. Okay, why don't you just make that chunk rent? Not very good at programming. Chunk dot initialize data chunk update chunk mesh data. Is that it? I think that's it. Go through it, make some more. Oh, here. Get chunk mesh data. We haven't finished this. This is empty. What does he want me to do? What does he want me to do? Loop, 2 blocks, chunk data, x, y, z, mesh data, wait, equals block helper, get mesh data, chunk data, x, y, z, mesh data. If blocks dot get find. Fuck. Wait. Wait. What the? Wait. Chunk data dot blocks get index position chunk data x y. Yeah. Bum, bum, bum. The only thing is, I don't remember set. When does this get? This doesn't get set ever. When does that get filled out? Answer me, video. Answer me. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Oh, it's changing something. Chunk class. What's the chunk class? Yeah. Settle down. And get block from chunk coordinates. Yeah. Chunk data was. Oh, I know. World. Wait. Oh, god damn it. He's creating these. Okay, you know what? Just fuck it. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, we need something to well, this to have a thing. Oh, this is at the bottom. Out of the way. Don't touch any of my other code. Yeah. Public block type get block from chunk data int v1. Oh, wait, no. Int x int y int pos equals chunk dot chunk pos. Oh god, there's so many more things. Towards chunk data. Alright. So chunk data dictionary. Hello back, I'm Dad. What do you kind of have a oh god, complicated now. Yeah, maybe we don't need this. But now, screw it. Don't need it. Don't need it. Uh, bu- bu- uh. Static vector int chunk position from block coordinate world. Fuck. Nah, screw it. Not doing any of that. Just need the good stuff. Okay. That's just the additional. Inchi. Okay. Um. Oh shit, that's not good. Hmm. Keep at it, bro. Keep at it. Just calculate the minimum that you need to do. Aim for that. That's what I do whenever I know I'm going to fail something. I just try and get the bare minimum. I work for a uni. I also copied off friends, but you know, it is what it is. Let's try this. So that's blocks. The chunk. So what do I need? I need a chunk generator. This is a renderer. renderer. Chunk generator. Let's see what breaks. Bum, 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 bum. Wait. F. That broke. Yeah, blocks is null. So when does blocks get set? I don't remember that ever being a thing. Great, now I have to find this. I missed that somewhere. Oh, that must be tacos. Hello, tacos. Block data manager. Now I need to scroll through all these videos and find the one place that he references blocks. What? Wait, I saw it. Here. Set block. That's in chunk. Set block. But is set block just never called? Used anyway? When does he use this? X. Hmm. Does he use it? And he doesn't use it. Where does... Okay. Is it here? Assembly, I dabbled. Do not enjoy it. I like high level languages, not low level. And assembly is as low as you can go, pretty much. So yeah, not a fan, but I know of it. I don't remember much about it because I tried to, void my mind of all that. Guess it's not here either. It is. That's not fun. Quite simple though. I vaguely remember there's just like numbers that relate to different things like looping and stuff, and yeah, it's not fun. No, you gotta do it. Understand that theory. Is okay, why not? I don't know. Not here. Block helper. Set block. Jingle bells. He doesn't ever use it. What the fuck? How is he not erroring? Unless it's I missed it here in this bit. Probably did, didn't I? Oh, wait. Yeah, wait. Oh, it's right there. What the hell? Wait, where's this erroring? From there? From here? Oh, it should generate it. Why isn't it generating? Should go through at the block. Oh no, it's just wait, yeah. Saying this is not. Oh, wait. Eh? Yeah. Let me guess then. New block type size times. Guess that. Maybe that'll fix it. At least it won't be null this time. Na, 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 na. Da, da, da. Let's try this. Come on. Or because it's coming up to Christmas. But it's not generating them. That's also the wrong way around. Okay, let's try this. You can change your TTS if you're level 1 or above. It's in the tutorial. You remember that? Why is this not... You should look into it. Look into it. Why? Ah. And I don't see the problem then. Sounds perfect. Oh, it's not rendering, right? Let's just debug.log mesh m key count. No, like cool. See how many vertices there are. There's 0. I'm gonna kill someone. Yep, it says 0. Why is it 0? They the vertices on count with the water mesh vertices. So why are you 0? Add vertex. Debug.log. It's a shame. Christmas is fun. Jolly time. But then again, you probably don't get much snow or anything, so it's probably just like summer. The cold kind of adds to the feeling. Okay, it's not calling that at all. Why not? Why not vertices? Not adding the vertices anywhere. Is this even called? Where is this even meant to be called from? Oh, it uses the data of the vertices. And the data comes from there. Generator uses this, which is this, loop through the blocks. What's the action? Yeah, I wouldn't think it would. Feels like it's a minimum 30 degrees. That's sad. No, sick. We used to get snow, not so much anymore. In London. Totally. Um, they, does this, try that. Get rid of this. Actually, no. Actually, no. We'll know if it works. Actually, no, we might not. These, let's try that. Fishbowl cat. Yes. Words to live by. Hmm. As long as it's accurate. Oh, yeah. Well, it's definitely going through them. So why the fuck ain't it working? It's looping in the position that's calling the action. The action. This is the action. So the problem's here. Hmm. So why, if it's going through this X, Y, Z, oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. Mm-hmm. I mean, they're only so accurate, I guess. I think the problem is I don't have the core blocks. Nothing. And water. Or solid. No, that just didn't work. Didn't work. Try again. Solid. Yes. And plus. Buh. And there we go. Try that now. They actually have the blocks. Oh, come on. Come on. Still zero. Fuck. Why not? Add quad triangles. Get face vertices. Should add vertex here. Uh-huh. Very plenty. Why doesn't this add? No, 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 no. So it goes through all the directions. So the only times that it doesn't do anything. B, C. See what that does. Kitty. How's it been 2.5 hours already? What the fuck? Okay, it's not doing any of that. It is, but I'm kind of playing a playlist at the moment. Uh-huh. What? Okay, at least it did something now. It's failing. If it's air or nothing. And it's doing that for all of them. Right. Fuck. Why? Why is it air? So it shouldn't be air. Hmm. No, I am not. So here, this is becoming air and water. Noise times height. Is it the noise? Is that the issue? Bug.log ground position. Try that. Get rid of all this. At least found the issue. It's trying to meant to ignore air and nothing. It's only air and nothing. Put this ground position plus. Just trying to figure this out. We're almost there. Almost. I'm very humble. Humble humblings. Oh, God. Oh, dude. Okay. Why 34? Look, some of them aren't air. What the fuck? There's a lot of air, but there's a lot of grass as well. Okay, so it is working. It's just... Okay, so... Where does this do this? Junk. So yeah, this, doing that, does that. Get fairly status on the ads. So... Oh, I don't know this shit. Hmm. Try this. Uh-huh. Totally illegal then. Oh, stretch. Ah. Oh, God. Why am I so deaf? Oh. 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 Well, then, better lock your doors. Oh, shut up. This isn't working. Else. Failed. Um. It was. Drafted. How dare she? I mean, can't blame her. She doesn't love Mackies. Alright, it's not even getting this far. What the fuck? Bug. block type. Try that. And I'm gonna run it down. Oh, let's try that. Oh, not too bad. It's not even getting this far. What the fuck? It said it was. It's somehow getting set to air even after it's been generated. Does that make sense? Just says Ben. Why is it all air? Should not be air. God damn it. So chunk data blocks. Get index from position. Maybe this is the issue? Ah. Debug.log action to form. Wait, no. Position. Wait. Wait, what? Holy fuck. I'm so confused. So wait, it goes through all the blocks. Let's just check chunk data blocks. Try that. This is removed, right? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause the I'm gonna let you guys take control to play this again. Okay. Sword Art Online? Oh god, no, it's anime. Why are they all air? Should not all be air. No. No, I cannot. It will play. It is. There's only fucking 4 things in it. Plus, I don't exactly have a clear button. So just deal with it. Fucking so demanding, I swear to God. There it goes. Wait. What if I put this to the start? Exclamation mark music and, you know, the search query. Or you can do a Spotify link, but not a mobile Spotify link. You have to be level 3 for that. So make sure you're level 3. No, it's all still there. So this is fucked from the get-go. Private. Click void. Get block. If index is greater than 0 and index is less than blocks.length. Block. Oh, lowercase. Right. Return blocks. It's gone. It's gone. You don't need to know. You know? Why do you need to know when your song's coming up? It's coming up at some point. You need to know when, you know? No, you do not. No, 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 no. It's not useful though. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't make your song play any quicker. It just clutters up chat more. So it's gone. Unneeded. Block. If no, I do not. I need to do no such thing. Plus, last time I checked, this was my stream, and I can do whatever the fuck I want. And box index. Oh no, you're not returning anything. Setting. Bugging. You know what if I like coal, huh? Everything about that? Yeah, everything about that? I like tiny crumbs of coal. First block still length. Okay. Yeah, coal's tasty, and you can use it in like certain kinds of soaps. I like packing peanuts. Public blocked. Or shouldn't it just? I like little goblins crawling up my, sitting on my eardrum. Bite. What am I doing? Block. Bite. Data. Don't get blocked. There we go. Get block. Wow. I will. I'm getting hungry. At some point. Yeah. Dot. Set. Block. Fix. The block. Get. Block. That good? All right. Let's see if this fucks up. If not, well then I don't know. Yeah, it still fucks up. But now, at least we can figure out where it fucks up. So it's getting blocks. It's when it sets blocks. Bug.log. Setting block to. But ain't no room under my bed. Yeah, you gotta make room. Tacos is already there. Shove over a little bit of tacos. Okay, now it's not even set in blocks. Okay. Why not? It should be set in blocks. Why no set block? Because it's doing this, right? Happening. I suppose there's not enough room for both of you in this bed. So press F. Or see that water, grass, air, grass. There's loads. Yeah, it's doing that, but it's just not setting them. So where is this failing? Not here, because it would debug it. So wait, why is it not setting the block? Debugging.log set. Let's try that, I guess. Very confusing. In the Boing Loing expansion, obviously. What? Debug. Oh, you know why? It probably is telling me. I just realized I'm in a testing scene that doesn't have debugging. I always do this. Forgot to add debugging. Let me guess, a shitload of errors. Give it a minute. Yep. Invalid chunk position. Right. 1597.15 is bad. Why is this bad? 1596.15. Well, it's, you guys in control, so if there's a bunch of Christmas music, that's on you. This was, what? That's not. Step into. Oh, wait. I'm still playing the playlist. One sec. I had to do that. Wait, there we go. Alright, now it should be fine. I forgot it still had the playlist queued up. The Boing Lungs expansion pack. Uh-huh. Well, it's coming. Just give me time. Give me time, dude. You know, stop rushing. What's the rush? No? Oh, which one of these fails? Why would it fail? Let's start with this, I guess. If index is less than 0, or index is greater than chunk size. Plugging.log out of range index plus index or plus chunk data dot size out of. Oh, wow, I think I'm an idiot. They both return false. Found it. Found the bug. Try that now. It's always fucking something. One little false that should be a true. Don't think you're gonna have sex. Honestly, seeing how well fucking all the other companies have been like, you know, 100k followers on Twitter and will add sex to our game. Maybe. It would be a smart career move, just like this. Would you look at that? Well, that's certainly something. They don't have back faces and they have front. Oh, great. Oh, they're the wrong direction. Oh, yeah, it's offset by 1. They're all too far back. Huh. At least the water's blue. That's good. And actually, the water's correct. But there you go. That's a chunk done. What do you think, boys? What do you think? Now, why are you... Wait, are they all... Yeah, it's offset by 1. Oh, there we go. Ah, good idea. Oh god. Oh fuck. I thought you guys were done with Christmas music. Oh, that's a Scar's idea, of course. Minecraft. Humble. That's offset by one there, one there. That's like -1 on the X. Yep. Well, Scar wanted it. So why is this offset by 1? Assume the vertices. Oh, look at that. It's even got colliders. But the water doesn't. Good. Wait, did the colliders generate the same? Yeah, I think so. Except that. Oh, no. Wait, the colliders generate. No, they don't. It's a chunk. I'm trying to figure out how and why. Oh, wait. Invalid chunk coordinates. That might do it. Wait, why is it invalid? 54416 is definitely within. Ah, the bit that I was missing. Maybe. Well, I mean, the tutorial is how to make Minecraft thing, but I just need the voxel terrain. You're not going to be able to break stuff. There's no mining. There's no crafting either, so it's just blank. Humble craft, but no crafting. Hmm. So that's fine. This is failing in some situations. Right. Uh, the neighbor. Maybe it's this is wrong? Uh, maybe. Let me check. Hmm. Okay. Uh-huh. Working. Okay. Hmm. Oh, it's very confusing. Oh my god, this tutorial just says nothing. What? Oh, okay. Direction. What did he do? So forward. Yeah, so this is all. Why isn't it working? Nice. Yeah, as long as it works. But let's just have a look. Uh, Generator? Chunk renderer? Chunk? Mesh data? Where? Oh, god, there's so many. Block helper, right. Where's that? Here. Direction is backward, down, forward, left, right, up. Right? Get block from chunk. Oh, wait, is it because it's trying to get a chunk that's next to it? Or, okay, actually, wait, this is fine. Yeah, okay, wait, 16, that isn't actually inside. Just on the outside. This goes between 0 and 15. So it's trying to get, like, the blocks next to it. But it can't. And they're also just offset. I don't know why they're offset. How do I fix this? Now I actually have to understand the code. They did not sign up for this. Also, they're only like 0.5. They're not even a full thing off. Which makes me think it's somewhere here. Great. The fucking most annoying thing. Finding a bug in here is needle in a goddamn haystack. So... yeah, we need to shift this. No, but see, this is a full block off. Right? Hmm. Go to that. Hmm. So which way's forward? I always forget. MIDI cube. Forward. So they're backwards. -1. So the backwards is too far back. So the Z. Huh? God damn. Yeah, let's see. Just compare backwards. Is minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. God, I'm stupid. To be fair, this isn't the most easy tutorial. And now, so this is 2 5 to the left, which is X, which is minus, which is left. How is left different? How is left different? Left is minus. Yeah. Minus, plus, plus, minus. Plus, plus, minus, minus. That's fine. Maybe it's right then. Right is minus, minus, plus, plus. Minus, plus, plus, minus. Let's just see if that one change makes a difference. God damn. We're almost there. Bum, bum. Also don't need this anymore. The all the faces are working, including these faces. So the back faces are working. These front faces, every one on this side is one too far back, which is which direction? That is. I need to learn the axis colors. Forward, I guess. Right. Forward. I'll go frame by frame because this guy skips through it so quickly. Is it forward? Yep, it's forward. This is meant to be plus. I think that's it, boys. I think that's it. World generation complete. You ready? Ready to see the most perfect chunk you've ever seen in your life? Oh. 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 No way. No way. No, let's make a separate water material. Shut up. World. Water, go there. It is transparent. The water. Then. Boom, baby. That's sick. Now we need textures. No, I'm trying to make cube world terrain, but I'm using a Minecraft tutorial, so yes. Yeah, I'm trying to make it like this. That's the goal. But before we do that, I want to get it attached to tiles. Private chunk renderer. Oh, no, chunk generate. Let's see. Wait, chunk generate. What does this do again? I could probably just take all this and yoink it. We don't even need to instantiate. Yeah, fuck it. Let's do that. We don't need the chunk generator script. Yeah. Oh, I should take all of this. Take it all. And we'll put it in tile. Bump, 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 bump. This. Chunk renderer. Yeah, well, as long as you balance it right. Just stay just on the brink. Set the biome. Take all this. Right. Fuck it. See you around. Enjoy manga. Renderer. Chunk renderer. Yeah. Biscuit. Yes. Limp biscuit. Wait. Yeah. What the fuck? Twig is what? No, Twig hasn't been. What? Totally. Okay, we'll keep chunk render just in case we don't want to generate for some chunks. Some tiles. No, we don't need to instantiate. Insanely complicated at the end of the 4 tests and 2 to deliver last week of the. Oh shit! You better knuckle down then. Go do work. Don't you shouldn't be here. You go do some work. Okay. All right, but this. I'm all too familiar with the crunch of that. So X. Oh, right, here we go. I can just do this. Pos.x and cell.pos.y. Okay. I think that's a good one. Oh, and we're still if it's not good. Guess we don't want to generate terrain. There we go. Initialize? What did I just rename this to? Initialize. Okay. Initialize. Yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. Cool. So press play. Oh, I know. We're in testing still. Let's just copy. Oh, well, first of all, actually, we need the tiles. Tile. Chunk renderer. The 100 are like 15 by 100. I guess we'll do that. Actually, no. Let's do this. Might lag out a little bit. But oh well, you only live once. Let's just do this. Chunk. Chunk. Mesh filter. M key. Mesh slider. I wonder if I leave that blank, what happens? Let's try that. This way we can actually like move it around. The mesh filter, mesh collider. Going to show the gizmo. U4 gore. Humble quest. Try that. Hey, Pajumi. Okay, gradient most will not affect my overall grace, but it's fucking assembly and very high speed integrated circuit, hardware, description, language, yeah. That was the same kind of with me. I did pretty well on like a lot of other stuff, so I could afford to just like slack off on like the subjects I didn't really like. Like I calculated it that even if I failed a subject, or like got 40%, which is the bare minimum you need to even pass, even if I got 40% on like operating systems, which I hated, I was terrible at, and I just did not want to learn. I fell asleep and everything. I calculated that how much I'd have to get in this other stuff that I was actually decent at to like, balance out and get a first overall. And I did. I ended up ending uni with an 80% average, which is not bad. Right, let's see. Alright, it's not generated. Oh, I haven't referenced. Oh, wait, no, have I? Yeah, I haven't referenced it. Why not? Oh, right, they were just spawn tiles. 40%, only 75%. What, to pass a module? No, I'm talking about just like to not have to retake it. You need to get at least 40%. And if it's 75%, then what the fuck? To not reset it. God damn. Bit brutal. Wait a sec. Oh, no, it's fine. Why can't I move? What collider am I hitting? There's a collider here. Or is there? Why can't... What? Yeah, that's so weird. Or... Okay, yeah, we definitely need multi-threading. Brazil. Okay, where... How big is this spawn area? And why is it lagging, actually? It's not even... Uh... There we go. A non-spawn tile. Oh, wait. I don't have a mesh renderer. What the fuck? I think I might have set the values a bit wrong there. Huh. 100 height. Why is that like that? I think it's just 15, 15, 16. Huh. Also, we can get rid of junk generators. Need them. Yeah, we need a mesh renderer. We've got to add. Hmm. White. No, we should make a new one called this will have the lookup. Voxels and water. Let's see. Shouldn't be generating, so check why it lags so much. Only started lagging since I added this, so debug.log. If it's like doing it multiple times, I don't want that generate. This guy only has like 60 monthly listeners. This guy is, I like his style. Huh. It's generating 2119. Oh, you do have a thing. Oh, there we go. It is generating. Just not quite the right size. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's see if I go over to a new one. It only does it 3 times. That's good. But let's just Those are kind of cool. Oh shit, how am I going to do this? Nice. Oh shit. Also, I think it needs to be bigger. The tiles are too small because they're the same size as me. They're 1 cube. What do you guys think? Do you think the cube should be bigger or not? Because like right now, I fit perfectly into a. The Chicos are the best. Do you think? I think they should be bigger. They're kind of hard to stand on, and it also then saves a lot of computational power. Generate less stuff. They make it like, I don't know, 5. I'll make the height the same just so. But there you go. Look at that. Stretch it out a bit, you know. Maybe 2.5. Hmm. Wait, it starts from there, right? Okay. Hmm. We need to we need, what do we need? Int world size. Int spacing. We need both of these things. So that we can set this. Chunk renderer dot transform scale equals. So this is 2.5. We can leave the scale. Oh no, but the scale's going to depend how big we make this. So for this, minus 50. That's in the bottom left corner, right? Yeah, so we go like that. So then this would be if it was 16 by 6. Oh, this is some maths now. I hate maths. Okay, 5, 6, 10.7. Probably a multiple of 16 divided by. Is that it? Is that the maths? Yeah, and then it's offset by 1 block. And this is off by 1 block. He does, he does. Wait, you go in Tanto? I see you, Tanto. Is that corner? No, that doesn't work. Why not? Well, I don't have enough room. Need partner for that shit. That lined up? No. Oh, it's probably 2.5. What? Okay, where's the corner of this? Let's make this red. You can see where it is. That to be there. Minus 46.9. Oh, they're not even. Oh wait, whoops. There we go. So this isn't a nice number, so I assume it's based on the scale of. That's what? 6. That's like minus 3. So it's like half of minus this over 2. Right? Oh shit, wait. Minus 50 plus that 2. Right, that's the maths. Okay. Then that's perfectly lined up. The size. Yep, there's nothing left in the queue. Alright, I think I've got the maths down. So, scale is equal to 100. So scale equals world size divided by 16, which is size. So this becomes scale, 1F scale. Position, vector 3 position, float half equals. Fuck, what is it? Minus 50. Half is. Let me have a look. Apparently that's what's playing at the moment. So I don't even know. Even though it's not. Who knows? Don't know. That's a bug. I can't be asked to fix it. No, I see that. Oh, no, yeah, it has been added. Right. It queues up. I forgot. Coming up next. Yeah, for some reason it queues up 2 songs instead of 1. I don't know why. Sometimes it gets confused. But it does come. I do need to fix that though. Music. Sometimes queues up 2 songs. That's probably because it's like in the process of like loading a new song, and then it will check again, and it will be like, okay, nothing's playing. Let me queue up again. Then it ends up doing 2. But at least as long as the music gets played. So minus 50, but then we have to what is it? Scale, which is this. Pos equals half minus half plus scale divided by 2. Right. There we go. Chunk renderer.transform.local position equals pos position. And that should be it. Then everything should generate like this. But now we need to change. Actually, that should be fine. Yeah. Hey, raise. What did I do? Oh, right. Size, spacing. Why is that float? Wait. Do we need spacing? No, we don't need spacing. Shit. Be gone. There we go. How you doing, Reese? We're just doing some playing Minecraft. It'd be cool to see if these all line up correctly. This. Let's have a gander. There we go, boys. Well, other than the spawn one, which doesn't have any, but the world is generated. And okay. Nice. Surprisingly, not that painful. Not bad. Let's see if we can aim the camera up a bit. And let's change the render distance actually as well. Currently it's only 1. That's 5. Big render distance. Okay, it's going to lag a little bit, but there we go. This is actually really cool. We made Minecraft terrain. Nice. Pretty cool. If we have a look on the map, probably easier to see it. Look at that. Not bad indeed. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of that, but that can be fixed with a shader, probably. Not bad. Oh, and then it just ends when it comes to water. Yeah, we need to make it so it fades off. Water, bruv. Water. Cool. So the only issue is I need to somehow find a way to make... So, like, this tile here might be different to this tile. There's definitely a way we could simplify this. The fuck are they talking about? Just fucking go them. So, yeah, this biome might be different to this biome, and biomes have different like generations. So we're gonna need to find a way that this looks at this one and then like does it accordingly. But for now, it's not bad. To be fair, the tutorial probably covers it. But that's, I assume, in the second playlist you made. Third part, season 2. Very good. Unity tips, procedural placement. Section 3, section 2. Probably not going to start now because I'm hungry. It's been 3.5 hours. I guess this is what I'll be doing off stream. Infinite World, already got that. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Actually, before we wrap up, I want to create a thing. I guess art. Let's call this Voxel. Fuck. Not. Never mind. Delete. Yeah, this doesn't sound very Portuguese. This is Oh John. Yours is up after this. Let's make this 2048. Yeah. Great. It is pretty Portuguese, yeah. About to say that. Alright, so I guess we start down here. Pencil. So let's see. If we make this, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16. 3, 4. Actually, wait. Thing for this. Try that. Put that. And this for... There we go. Dirt and that. Where's art? Voxels. Yeah. This is the texture. Alpha is transparency. Point. Lamp. You what? And then we come over to world voxels and we set the art. Totally. 1. There we go. All right. So let's see if this works. Now we're going to need to set the blocks. So like the, oh God, how did this work again? Like 1, 1. No, wait. Okay, so okay, this is how this works. So 0, 0, I assume is this green. If a grass, we want on the top we want 0, 0, but on down in size we want 0, 1, 0. Mm-hmm. For this, we just want this. Try that. I don't know if the scale is right, but I guess we'll find out. New game. Why isn't this generating? What? Oh, it's transparent. Ah, okay, yeah, the scale is definitely wrong. But, plus side, generating, at least. But yeah, the scale definitely needs to go up. No. Probably look up what this guy actually said to do for, that's still too small. One? What if I just make them both one? Hmm. Still not working. Right. Why not? Because I need to increase this. One over. Oh, that's probably why. There we go. Although, oh wait, no. Because they're not squares, it's not the same. But all in all, if I made this the same, that doesn't work. Of course not. Why would it? Why would it? Silly. What did I set it to in here? 1, 1. Huh. Hmm. Five, 7. That's close enough. But yeah, I'll need to go back and look at his texture thing. But there you go. Minecraft. That was pretty easy. All right. That's it. Done. Infinite world has been generated. Hog indeed. Minus, that. But now we just got to fill this world with shit. Shit to do. Maybe I should make this a bit more. Maybe I should make it one by one. All right, let's see. Might lag out my computer, but let's try this. 100 by 100 by 100. And it should resize accordingly, but make them one by one things. There's the lag. Oh. Why is it all blue? Oh dear. Oh dear. Why are you this? Why is this generating like that? I don't get that. Gets halfway there and then just gives up. Hmm. Hmm. Probably in the code somewhere. Why? Why are you blue? Oh, it's probably because it's all just transparent or something like that. Actually, I don't know. And shit. Hmm. Um. Junk data. Oh, it's probably because of this. Oh no, that gets set. But why? Why not? Hmm. I think I have to check the Is this 16 wide? I assume it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. No, it's like 23, 24. This makes no sense. What? Hmm. Size, height, position times size. Oh, confusion. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck it, I'll do this off stream. I'm too hungry now. Anyway, thank you for coming. I see Mario for probably tank team stuff. Not sure what, maybe making maps. That's always a fun thing to do. Or sound effects. One or two. Oh yeah, see you boys around. God, I'm fucking starving. But,